Let's know details about English common spelling mistakes, wrong spelling error, red color, right correction, green color.
English common spelling mistakes U words. Aapka dictionary presents wrong spelling error, red color, right correction, green color, wrong spelling underate, right underrate, wrong spelling uncurable, right uncurable, wrong spelling undoubtly, right undoubtedly, wrong spelling unfortunately, right unfortunately. English common spelling mistakes U words. Aapka dictionary presents wrong spelling error, red color, right correction, green color, wrong spelling unpholstry, right upholstery, wrong spelling unpolite, right impolite, wrong spelling until, right until, wrong spelling usable, right usable, usible, use+able.